What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 p.m.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate a sandwich.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
How do you get to work?
I drive to work.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
What did you do yesterday?
I went shopping.
What are you doing now?
I am studying.
Where are you going?
I am going to the gym.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What did you watch last night?
I watched a movie.
Where are you going after work?
I am going home.
What did you eat for dinner?
I ate pasta.
Where did you go last summer?
I went to Italy.
What were you doing at noon?
I was having lunch.
Where do you go for vacation?
I go to the beach.
Have you ever been to Italy?
Yes, I have been to Italy.
Have you read this book?
Yes, I have read this book.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise daily.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza.
What did you buy yesterday?
I bought a book.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, I have tried sushi.
What are you reading now?
I am reading a magazine.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What will you have for breakfast?
I will have cereal.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I like to swim.
Where do you shop?
I shop at the mall.
What are you eating?
I am eating an apple.
What are you eating?
I am eating an apple.